natural health for beginners.
How to make rose water at home. Creating your own rose water at home is simple and rewarding. It's a natural ingredient that can be used for skin care, hair care, and even in cooking. Here's a step-by-step guide to making rose water with exact quantities. Ingredients: fresh rose petals, from 3 to 4 roses or about 1 to 1.5 cups of petals. Use pesticide-free roses for the best and safest results. Distilled water, 1.5 to 2 cups. Distilled water ensures that the rose water is pure and free from any contaminants. Tools needed: a large pot, a lid, preferably one that fits tightly, a strainer or cheesecloth, a glass jar or bottle for storage. Method 1. Prepare the roses. Gently rinse the rose petals to remove any dirt or impurities. If you're using fresh roses, make sure they are pesticide-free to avoid any harmful chemicals. 2. Simmer the petals. Add the rose petals to a large pot and pour 1.5 to 2 cups of distilled water over them. The water should just cover the petals, so adjust the quantity depending on how many petals you have. 3. Heat gently. Cover the pot with the lid and heat it on low. The key is to let the water simmer gently, not boil. You want to extract the oils and fragrance from the petals without destroying their natural properties. 4. Let the steam do the work. As the water heats, the steam will start to carry the natural oils from the rose petals into the water. Continue to simmer on low for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the petals have lost their color and the water is a pale pink or yellowish tint. 5. Strain the rose water. Once the petals have infused the water, remove the pot from heat. Let the mixture cool slightly, then strain it using a strainer or cheesecloth. Squeeze out all the liquid from the petals. 6. Store your rose water. Pour the strained rose water into a clean glass jar or spray bottle. Store it in the refrigerator, where it can last for up to 2 weeks. How to use rose water. Facial toner. Apply rose water with a cotton pad after cleansing your skin. Hair mist. Spray onto your hair for a refreshing and hydrating boost. Cooking. Add a few drops to desserts or beverages for a floral flavor. Making your own rose water at home is a simple and cost-effective way to enjoy this luxurious product. Plus, you can ensure it's all natural and free from any unnecessary additives. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.